115 million views in 7 years. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a poem using only AI. First of all, create a channel. Go ChatGPT and type 20 channel names for YouTube. Pick one. I like this one, and select the poem you want to create. In Open Voice Mod, click on the text to song and paste your lyrics and click on Create Song. As you can see, our poem is ready to play and
Raining through the town in a festive holiday, we spreading joy around with a jingle and sway. Children filled with glee as the snowflakes that sow the magic we'll see in this merry jingling chants.
and click here to download. Now step 2. Upload the video and open ChatGPT for video title and description tags. If you want this ChatGPT extension, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. As you can see, ChatGPT write SEO title descriptions and tags, and simply copy and paste on YouTube. As you can see, we made the entire poem using only AI. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.